Okay, it's another day again, and I got up late. No lights. It's getting dark, and yeah, doing some stuffs. A bit of DIY and everything, but I'm gonna go to bed anytime soon. They go out so quickly. We're on lockdown, so just stay at home. Stay safe. Good morning, guys. We're supposed to have a wedding for today. I'll be supposed to be streaming, setting up my stuff, but yeah, it's rainy today. It's rainy, and you can see the aircon's so noisy. But it's rainy, gloomy, and we're on lockdown. So yeah, just using my old MacBook and just working for now. Yeah, not even using my M1. But yeah, cold and rainy. Okay, so I still haven't done anything that significant, and I've been just staying in the house. And I should be doing something. It's so cold outside. I'm trying out slog 3 again. Hopefully, I get good things. Now let's see the dynamic range. It's so bright outside. Let's see. Anyway, I'm just gonna go back and do something else, man. I'm back to S tone, and the thing is, I should shoot 10-bit starting now. I should shoot 10-bit. Let's program ourselves. We're gonna shoot 10-bit always. Let's do this. 25th of July, and yeah, it's early in the morning. It's so cold. It's 8:28. It's around 5 degrees earlier, and yeah, it's really cold. But yeah, we're heading out to Frankston right now because Laura's having her jab. Let's do this. I just finished mine. Yeah, I just uploaded a video just recently. But yeah, mine still hurts. Lymph nodes enlarged. But should be fine. I saw it on the website. Should be fine. But yeah, we're heading out now. So I just got back from vaccination, and yeah, it was quick. We went to Frankston Hub, which is a bit far from us, and we're on lockdown right now. But it's around let me see, 35 minutes away from here if you're heading the freeway, but it's kind of far from here. But yeah, all good. She had her vaccine within 10 minutes and 15-minute break, which is so quick. I just didn't bring my camera there to vlog, but yeah, we're already home, and she's taking a rest. Also, we went for a quick walk up there. Yeah, I'm uploading the dash cam footage or the road footage for this trip, and that's it. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Okay, guys, continuation of the vlog. I'm trying to clear up this place here, and we're gonna try to. It's a lot of echo, and I'm using a shotgun microphone, but yeah, I'm gonna try to clear this thing out, fix everything there. It doesn't look that bad here because it's dark, but it looks bad. Yeah. So doing a time lapse while I'm cleaning, and it's a lot of mess. And don't worry, I have a time lapse set up there. So yeah, I'm trying to finish everything up and throwing all the old boxes like these, and a lot more boxes in there. So yeah, hope I get everything cleaned up, and yeah. Here you go. Just made a mess out of myself, and all these were just there, but I had to clean it because there's a lot of dust there. Move everything in here, and yes. Also, I need to get rid of this box. This is the drone that Laura gave me on my 40th. Yeah, there you go. So she bought it from our account, but yeah, it's still, yeah. So yeah, I need to let go of the box because I've been using the drone and it's just good. So I might not need the box now. It's been 2 years I have this box here. Goodbye. And I have the other boxes there for the other lenses. I just keep them. So kaning helmet. It's been with me for a long time. Still good. Yep. So I don't have a bike anymore. I just have this helmet here. So apparently this was supposed to be a good fit for my head, but look at that. My cheeks are like squished in between. But I love this helmet. Yeah. Hey guys, it's another cold day today. Got up late today, and so I just got myself a toolbox. Though I'm a bit my hair looks like, yeah, as usual, it looks like shit. But yeah, just got a toolbox, and the thing is, I'm a tight ass. I don't want to spend a lot on toolboxes unless it's the big one with a wheel and everything. So I got the tactics box. Oh shoot. It's here, and it has a top box here. So I'm just gonna finish doing my cleaning up here and organizing all those shit at the back. But if I'll be doing vlogs here, that thing at the back, that thing, that thing will stay there. So it's gonna be a bit annoying, but I'm just gonna leave all those clutter behind it. They're not my initial plan was just to make them like a creative background, but I'm too lazy to do that right now. So I'm just try to clean it and just try to do some vlogs here or like videos and everything else for the meantime. I have a few more days before class. It's fucked up. Yeah, we're from class soon, and we're still in lockdown. Hopefully we're gonna get out of our lockdown by tomorrow, and I can get out and do some stuffs outside. But for now, we're not sure. We have a big rally. There was a protest regarding vaccinations and lockdowns and everything else. All the crazy cuckoos did a protest, and yeah, good thing nobody was in the community that were positive today. I hope the numbers were going to go down, but yeah. So back to fun and everything else. I'm just going to finish doing that, and I'll see how the day goes. Yeah, I don't have any plans for today, and the day's fast closing in. Like, it's getting really late. Let's see how it goes. So I went back to this crappy microphone because I don't want a big microphone with the XLR thingy for now. I'm going to do vlogging at home, and I'm just using the Video Micro and handheld. So 24 mil. So yeah, I don't know if I'm going to add some videos later today, but yeah. Hey guys, I was so excited this week because the thing is, yeah, this coming Sunday I was supposed to shoot a pre-wedding, and also Monday I'll be shooting a wedding at the same time. I'll be doing another live stream next Sunday, and we have one more live stream this coming Thursday. So everything's just pumping up. We're really doing good right now. We have 0 cases yesterday till today's the 5th of August, and we have around 6 cases. Some of them are unknown, like, yeah. So we're back on lockdown around 8 p.m., which is around 3 hours, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3 hours from now, 2.5 hours from now. It's so annoying. I want to go out, but yeah, I might as well stay at home and just start. I don't know what to say. Yeah, it's really been annoying because the thing is, I've been having a lot of gigs currently, and they're coming in so good. But yeah, we're on lockdown now. So whoever you are who didn't get yourself checked or you messed up, man,